Hey, good evening, Mep here, Mep Investments. Hope you're all doing good. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I'll bring you another video today on the market. Um, Basically, right now, it was about a week ago that I did a video. The markets have been slower. We got some movement today, and that's with anticipation with the FOMC meeting that starts tomorrow, and we got a rate decision on Wednesday. We also get the CPI report tomorrow morning, which is a big report. So let's take a look at the futures. The dollar is hanging around the 105 mark, which I've mentioned in my prior videos, is that kind of that big number that it needs to hold. So it's holding that number in anticipation with what's going to happen with rates. The 10 years trading at the yield is 3.60. Foreign currencies, for the most part, all of them are up. Seems like we're green here on this thing. We have the loonie at 73. The pound has bounced back to 122. The euro was at 105, and it was pretty much under parity, which was even with the dollar not too long ago. But with the dollar declining, it has gone up. Bitcoin at 17,140, up 25. It has recovered some from the debacle, Sam, the scammer, and he had a nice interview there on CNBC, and I don't get it. People clapping for the guy and stuff. It's pretty crazy. Why would you clap for a guy that just shafted a bunch of people? Oil had a nice bounce today. We hit that 70 level, and it's bounced back to 73. I'm long a couple micro contracts on the oil, and I think we should bounce back here. It's been in a downtrend, but the fundamentals are still in play with the SPR at like 40-year lows and all the Russia issues, and there's still a global energy crisis out there, in my opinion. S&P at 40.25. We had a nice rally today. The rally was, let me look up out here in the CNBC because the futures are already open. Let's take a look here what we got here. There's Sam the Man, the scammer. Founder Sam Bankman-Fried arrested in the Bahamas after U.S. files criminal charges. So he got arrested. So the S&P up 1.5% basically. Dow Jones 1.5%. Nasdaq 1.25%. And let's take a look at the small caps. Small caps was up 1.25% almost today as well. And those were the indexes. Gold sold off today with anticipation to the meeting tomorrow. It's under 1,800, and silver is trading at 23.5. Silver has had a huge run up and is doing well. I made some money on the gold and silver futures. Closed them out today. I still have my physical. Ether up to 1268. Feeders 183. Hogs 82. Live cattle 156. Those meat prices are up there. I went to a store today to do some groceries, and I mean, you walk out and you don't have anything, and you're like $150. It's just insane. Copper 380. It's been bouncing around and got hit today a little bit. The futures will be flat until tomorrow morning. We get more direction on what's going to happen. And the CPI report is a big report. Natural gas 663 had a nice day today. The VIX is holding over 23. And soybeans 1462, corn 16, corn 655, and wheat 756. I think the wheat bounced back a little bit today. That's been in a pretty big downtrend. And those are your futures. I really haven't done much on the stock. I was up today a little bit. I only had 7 fills today. Not much going on. with anticipation of the uh, of the CPI report. Looking here at bar chart at the options market, Tesla is in a funk, down to 167, Apple 145, Amazon. So we had a rally today, so we're going to see a lot of green. Tesla has not been trading well. Meta down a little bit. Netflix has been on a tear. Baba down a little bit. Neo down a little bit. Big move in Boeing. Boeing has been trending nice. I think Oracle had earnings after the bell, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, they did okay. I think it was up after the bell, $1.40 to 82.80. I think, if not mistaken. ExxonMobil up 255. Coinbase up. Horizon Therapeutics up 15. Maybe some news on them. DocuSign up. Rivian down to $25. That one's come down some. Block up $1. JP Morgan up. Moderna down 12. A COVID play. Pinduoduo down 365, but that's been in a tear. Target down $1.50. Target had some. So I've been looking for an oven air fryer, and I was looking for like a week or two, but the price were like kind of crazy. So I was like, I'll hold off. And last night I started looking because my little oven has been acting up, and I was like, wow. And Target like slashed prices on these ovens. There were some good deals. So I picked up air fryer oven, Cuisinart, I think it's called, air fryer and oven and toaster, all three for $1.19. I don't think you can go wrong with that. Just for me and my wife and my daughters, not a big family, so I think that'll be good. Can't wait to get it. I get it Friday. Start air frying some stuff. Walmart up 271. So Walmart and Target are pretty much there, price wise. Billy down 10%. That thing's been on a tear. Datadog up 3%. Coupa, I think there was some takeover chatter on Coupa. Costco up 4. Caterpillar up 5. MongoDB up 6. CVS up 2. Nextera Energy up $2. They get my money every month, Nextera, my energy bills. I'm at about $300 a month plus. Chime in. Let me know what you guys are paying for utility bills. I'm at $300. I got some other stuff, but I tried to put up the AC and do some stuff around the house to try and be more energy efficient. But my bill's always at $300 here. Pretty crazy. Let me know. I'm curious what you guys are paying in your area. I'm in Miami, Florida. I got my utilities down. What else? I was able to. Right now, I'm only on. I'm on AT&T fiber optics. I think I pay about $80 for that, and then I stream some TV for like $30. Cell phone plans. I'm on AT&T as well. I think I'm paying like $1.20 for 3 lines, if I'm not mistaken. Water has gone up. Water is about $80 a month, but we pay that quarterly here in Dade County, Miami-Dade. Trying to think what else. I'm waiting to see what my homeowner's insurance is gonna go up to on my house. I renew in March. Right now, I think I'm at $3,500. I'm hearing stories people getting bills at $7,000. I'm a little worried about that one. We only got Citizens right here insuring people because of the hurricanes. I think Citizens is the only one. Everybody's dropping out or getting bankrupt. So I'm curious to see what they come come up with. My taxes went up a couple $100 in the house, but they have a cap on that per year. Um, Trying to think what other expenses. Car, I got one with the company. I'm blessed there. Thank the Lord. And yeah, just trying to eat right and eat here in the house and try and stay healthy. Not really spending a lot of money on in restaurants or anything like that. But my wife has been in the hospital with my mother-in-law who's still in there. So keep her in your prayers. CrowdStrike up 3%. Avago up $11, 2%. Not a lot of losers today. Not a lot of losers. With let me see. I mean, there's just a lot of chatter. Let's go here by percentage changers. Biggest winners today: Coupa, Weber. I'm long Weber grills. I would have to read to see what the news was on Weber. Under Armour was up. Frontline. Look at Open Door. That was like a real estate play. $1.45. Those people are gonna be closed doors soon. Look at the way looking. Look like they're bankrupt. Affirm was up. DocuSign. Let me see what the biggest losers were. I didn't really look at individual stocks today. Been doing a lot of stuff around the house since my wife hasn't been around. Attending to my mother-in-law, her mom, and my kiddo has a cold, so she stayed home today. So just running some errands and doing stuff around the house, trying to start the new year clean, trying to simplify my life, get rid of the stuff that you don't need. I've actually been selling a lot of stuff on eBay, going through everything that I don't need and I don't use and just selling it on eBay. If it's worth anything, just put it on there. And whatever I have left that I don't use, just donate it. Just want to start the new year off light and simple. Simplicity. Try and be debt free, owe nobody, and live a peaceful, humble life. The less wants you have, the better off you are in life. That's my opinion and my philosophy. Well, somebody else's philosophy, but that's how I try and live my life. I think I don't remember the philosopher who said that. Look, I just showed a sneaker. Wow. I sold the Kobe Bryant sneaker. Interesting. Poor goat Kobe, man. Rest in peace, Kobe. Rest in peace. So I sold Kobe Bryant's sneaker. Wow. Rest in peace, man. Got rid of a lot of my sneakers that I had there. Sneaker game's a hard game. I'm not sure if you guys, anybody have success with that. You got to get the drops. If you don't get the drops, I mean, it's very hard to make money in that. See what else here. So biggest loser, looked like it was some biopharmaceuticals. Momo down 10%, Billy down 9%, but they've been on a tear. Tesla, Rivian, yeah. So those are the most biggest loser in the options market. See what the news wise. Consumer inflation expected to have continued cooling in November, but still high. Asia stocks climb as crucial reading of U.S. inflation data looms, which that's what we're waiting for tomorrow. So the market thinks it's going to be good news because the market had a good day. So they think it's going to be good news. Let's take a look at the bonds here. See all bonds. So the 1 month Treasury is paying 3.78, the 3 month 4.42, 6 month 4.83, 1 year 4.81. So the 1 year is so you guys can get a kind of a picture when it talks about yield curve inversion. Yield curve inversion has always been an indicator of recession, and right now it's a big red flag. If you take a look at all these short dated treasuries, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, they're paying more than 30 year. 30 years paying you 356. 10 years paying you 360. So my 401k is parked, I think, in the 3 year. You're guaranteed a 4% on that right now. So that's what a yield curve inversion is. Oil up $2 barrel on supply risk amid ongoing Keystone outage. Gold falls before U.S. inflation data, Fed outcome. U.S. dollar ticks up ahead of inflation. Crypto, well, we know this guy's getting arrested. Futures are flat. Still got the war over there in Ukraine. Jim Cramer says 3 key deals helped the market rally on Monday. Cramer, my boy. Well, I'm not going to regurgitate the news. I just wanted to touch base. I haven't done a video in a week. It's been pretty slow in work in the cars. Let's see what Carvana is doing. Car market is pretty soft. Carvana down to under $5 right now. Look at that chart. 300 down to 5. Amazing. Just amazing. Anyway, stay safe out there. Happy holidays. I'll probably do a video tomorrow because we'll probably get some action, two-sided action with the Fed, with the CPI number. And then we got Wednesday. And then that'll set the tone for the rest of the month to see if we get a Santa Claus rally. We shall know more by the end of this week. Stay safe. Subscribe, like the video, comment. Love the dialogue. And stay safe out there. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.